Ebujan for hi Ghana 7TVGH. Message or like, comment, subscribe with no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebujan for 2025 has been a very, very, very interesting year, both all over the world and especially Ghana. Now you have been part of the journey. Ghana 7TVGH. Your likes, your comments, your subscription, your calling to encourage and all has been very, very fundamental and instrumental. Now, one aspect also Ghana that has been very interesting. This 2025 mu young judiciary. Our judiciary has been so exciting and interesting this year because for the first time no nema bia na obian so hu da ye kra se ebetimi asi democratic country mu no ni nyina asi. Number 1 ne say oman no chief justice mami get red araba tokono NDC aban omutumi nya sa kukudro a omu yi sa ma me no free ho bi nsida na omu ye sa de no wie ye no omu sa appoint be 7 new judges Eco Supreme Court ho no na ya appointment be break Eco High Court, appointment be break Eco Appeals Court do mahini nyina kan enti omu ye we nyina wie ye no ena omu sate say omu hanti NPP fonkofo a omu serve o Akufo-Addo aban mu and other stuff. Na sa hunting mu na Msembe Bre won say ahade even though they are trying so hard to make it a banana republic, it's not really of a banana, it cannot become a banana republic, inshallah. Okay? So some of the cases ended in court. Yet say abronye case I call court no or na eko ready judgment I call ready no animal farm judgment. You see you see book be animal farm. So in that animal farm book who say all men are not so equal, some are more important than others. That is what they based on to judge abronye. Now after that animal farm judgment no and as I say chema won to mean so back and forth, sir, Attorney General, a lot is been happening. Finally, recently, Kpandai Asemubai. Kpandai Ewa Northern Region. Tamale High Court Judge B. I could declare Kpandai State no vacant. Now, or declare or annually a result no you know. Appeals. The lawyers for the MP. They file an appeal. Now, in filing the appeal, no, when the judge was supposed to hear the case, no, omko court na judge ni ho. Judge ni ho, na judge ni wa fan here. Ye friend judge no say ni yem ha no. We nya running stomach. Wan kasa but asema okai ni say ni hu fa no. E na kofa bebre say there bi o. Na hu fa wa say ndra nyina nka obetimi aka. Enya day of hearing na beka say hu fa o. Already judgment are no. Him say AI judgment because when say obi use AI there ultimate screen who say we 50% AI, 75% AI or 80% AI. And many people allegedly have gone through the judgment they have seen say AI generated. Eti well yes I didn't in area no. I feel the better na appeals no udwane. And that's one of the interesting things that happened this year about the judiciary. This is what Ellen Amadaku has to say about what transpired at our High Court in Tamale. I'll see the next one. Don't go anywhere. Hi, Ghana 7TVGH. Cheers.
When uncle, why? Judge no uncle. Me ya so obeko bi mse wapon. Next year I'll be police go kwa abruchiri omma.
Any case no say be so.
Any police case.
Umunya na honorable Matthew.
Sister. Wowa. The beef. I'm the
plan dia omo fa se nkomo wie suhum de no mbeba adrejiri omo free ho na nkomo aba honorable Patrick Boama na say to
the court limit no krapo ayade a time limit na expire. Time limit now to petition after an election I expire. Yindam dear no, say no so expert, and then as I say, Supreme Court is here and fan to see. Tidanam Summit is honorable Defense Minister. Ma Litty Wuleka. Said then time necessary called the court no kono. It has expired. And it is a say going forward, don't me very in court to be time now expire. And I want the consul your best mawa, your best ma be saba. It is a one carbeko. One kawanko, until your bestiana. A protozua, Yamano, itinkwa. Near me, Yanni say, ebi and a scumidi amanda or whoever fanning them, can you know the same ending?
Yeah, some more.
I am bonny, a bending. Enti anu anu no empacho Mary boy do dey say me kan ye no oyare she has a mental issue nti me say na dro na sa say jo mahama me nyehwe so wetuetu omuka nti onya sika nkoto adro no nti ne obeka bia mo fa ne say oyare fo bi o mental problem
And yeah, dear, yeah, tia from one goes, na. Yeah, me say, my one yes, no. Aside everything, these things are like it's a bother on us because say nipa be struggler ko me ka tu ni nyina bom ni Alex tete ye ni ni Marie Boedu ye nyina. Ye nyina yeti here striving to make if anything to climb the ladder in politics. And you sit down and you see a woman propagating these lies just because ebi anipa na du enim chen. And you sit down and you think say enti e better than 30% na ye hia wo friend is saying parliament e ma the 30% seats na e ma hia wo parliament no how is this thing going to encourage other women young women for that matter to actually show up?
Don't hear about government intervention
Wono say na wo ba nti me say mumu bebre wo ha we ye shock wo
It's very worrying.
Google, go on to Google and then type in insults on Oslo Usu.
Yes,
Monko
she's one of our inspirational icons. But no, you say no ne banning podi. Befi say bia no. I said we have evolved.
Make us a mami we Oslo. Now I come back again. Oslo Usu the so no so ye on so any generation. No I come back. No I type in insults on Hawa Yakubu.
Okay.
No I come in some type of Hawa insult on Hawa Yakubu. And some ya can find both in the party and outside the party.
Wow.
It is a woman in a no who say a Ghana for Subain. A Ghana for Musubain because Nyomo Yeno. If people were not encouraging them, they would not do it. It's one also show I wide dream said my will be no way you any Imami near me bomudina Oslo Usu and name Madam Hawa Yakubu may her soul rest in peace. Madam Hawa Yakubu no di oba MP for Boku. Sa Boku enclave na neye Boku adi asabno. She was the MP. Oba no so mu say twitwe. Osomu twitwe. She came in as an independent candidate in 1992 na MPP for ankon. Onu ni oba ba akopa na ogirem. Emma ye ba back 96 no de ne ho be boy yen. No be da ne MPP ni. Na ogirem. Oye MP kopim so ono ase wa bre na ojaye. Ene eja owo ni yare de ne koye. Eti we yan wadwen say adwuma wo be ya a part of it. Me am to be say me elen say me say ade we ka kire me say me ya shawa. Na mebusa o say na me ho te ho a me ho fefefe yi. Say me ne mponche na. Me ne nkraman na. Emma na me ne omobeda. Na me ya fine girl yi so hwe me a me ho ye ofa wo ebra. Wo application bra na me checking hwe say mema we di me bia. Enyina bontin frame ya shawo because unya me obedi me. Na maka fu a kira wo sa na me ko. But of course obi style you different. Haji Samira ono meka sa asem winchiro. On few. Because we Jimmy me am there say maka catch myself between now to 31st. Well this I Jimmy and baba me so me di behia. Na me ti ha ya manim fe ya sebe me twa kwan si ye. Nga me ma ni me wana me ma ni nantwie. Wo ba ma kro no so wani abire a wo frame ya hya wo no. Wo so be so ha kodi oba. Make is sebre wo na hwe. Nkwala nketenkete je na wudiri omo. Wo hu ani wo ho tantan ho nyanyanyan. wo hu ye nyan oba bi a wasi so oba papa bi oba na ni da fom bi ampese o no da efi se wo hu nyan ho etan na wo wa sori e di adwo asafo atem ei I mean me obi am di matem de na me de oye mistake now the say we be fa ho wo be makro no wawu wo ni ma wadi omu nyina mawu kwasi afo sei jimi fo sei. Ah yes, me nyamoden. Me dey say dem say from now to 31st January there mati chain. Wo don kwasi asem ba obenya nya. Alex Tete kro no. Wo no wo so kasa ma kan de Japan. Kan de Japan papa panimu ba bia wanyi adui. Wo hwe oba te say adwo asafo sa no ya kwala ketwa. Woni na akoda ni na awu mienu. Foolish man. Wo wasesa akote agu kon so. Wo be didi adwo atem anyway say na me kan me say adwo na ono abeka nasem nti enye say me kan bi a che no why nti I ma ye didi atem dey normal say wo na wo
aside everything crano, the funny thing is that which list is a bob brand and go show so odi list and say no kasa no ni criteria anymore. So as a man you don't have it.
list ya obo ye say omunyina mema abobo munyina ye mema ni onyamfo she say adwo no say no wife sister adwo no onya bad she's a very beautiful woman. Enti say yam pass say mema we nyina na dade a and na sister no market there at her age 45 46-year-old woman he ne ho fe na mema we nyina asa ne ho line owo market there na wo papa we wo kura ya se de anoma abakura ba se wo di na obepene wo na hokwa kwatikura ya adwuma de wo kwati nya adwuma nti na ya oya se nkrofo odi enti onkopa adwuma na ne kwati mu nya den na
Why are you like that? You always want to come and tempt us with food. Why? Why?
Don't mind him. There's okra in the water region in Tiwanya Biedi. Mount Road, your mama bedu was here, okra no besa, and you will fought. Send show to two. A besa.
Papa ya odidi adwo asafo. Say yes say ne kwati ewu. Nti no oba bi say adwo asafo onya bi ni. Ohun to onkonkope eduro na onhwe se onye na ibenya akwala bi.
Ote eden.
Sugar.
Puka.
Sugar and oil. Sugar
And oil. Na oil na ye gallons no de bre mo ana say dey.
You go and same wo.
For den.
Say munhwe ya o ye na e bi Ghana ha munye bi. Na coconut oil ye nya bi wa. Ni coconut oil am na me use you.
Ekia was that lying? Where is that Moses boy?
You were not there.
Because Oka said he's still here. No, the man left here around 12 something. So if you say he's still here, what do you mean by he's still here? Moses, stop lying, okay?
Samira, Debbie, forget about Moses because Moses is lost. Moses, why you were desert so to your friend is saying Israel. Your friend is saying, Oshia gu munsem. I say, Monfanya den.
I almost. So that I don't know it's real oil. What if you go and tell them it's water? It's evidence sake.
Hello.
Akosia, stop it. I want to understand the concept behind this. Oba constituency ho. Oba campaign amamo no. En obe hwe cooking oil gu mu nsem. Ese ye betumi ye bi wo Ghana. Obi nya akosia nsi for mama me so o meeting wo mu this from me. We nya network no otin. Samira, obe hwe cooking oil ni gu mu nsem say eye oil and ye betumi ye bi wo Ghana ha. Is that the motive behind that?
Yes.
And the sugar and so no acheche wo
factory where you can make your coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
This is the first time he's done that.
Holy communion also
Sister Kuya, it's not the first time he has done it. I feel now what where were you, baby? It's not the first time.
Na sugar and so acheche wo rubber man and so hwe gu mu nsem.
Oshwe good munsemo. It was such a moon na Oshwe.
Na oh, Akosia Ade, why are you so happy?
Sister Pia, or Tramo so moon tasting shena sugar the day we Kennedy Japan
Na
bet me a be warm.
Lady
That
C,
is the concept.
na Commander Sugar Factory.
Akua. A daytime affair no Bishop Yoboyo. Said you know you in the anointing and not the good for said them Bishop Yoboyo.
Me, the funny thing is, like the way they are even taking their caffeine, I did not scared. Me, I'm scared though. Egu nsemu uru nsakra wachia nkofo saa
Bishop Robert told me why.
Me pacho mu mute mu na Samira in had your can because in the networking here, so let's not interrupt.
wachia nkofo saa what doing say she we egu nsemu watafle. Eh, eno wo ni say omu wo kra.
Ah. And we sugar no here she go nkofo nsem no omo so tafe sugar no.
Omu tafe.
Akoso was mesi for mu. Samira. O constituency for no. Ya de sugar ni gu omo nsem. E no omo so tafe sugar no.
They did.
Ada Kenya po na no cha diabetes ana. Nya so ni ya by the time of 2028 be so no na IPP for dodo na nya diabetes so.
They are not amunye okay. Meaning they say maybe well. Na mimi na mo nkra me tie me ya. I didn't even sit inside because what else can he say for me to hear? I bet some andrew. Obi TV ya opi ya o say wakasa sanso ba omiana na meto. Nipa na ono wa bet na ba from aroli am papa nso wie no. Opi ya o say mikra ade wakasa sa ya tibata ba omiana. How do you do this?
So the people who were hailing him and lying on the floor for him no wie no almost tafe sugar ni wie no almost ka say ba omiana no be sa to amani. E don ko ji sugar ni science.
Those who are fighting for Baomia in the groups, no. Omo no mo share shirt nti wa boka. Omo ni nkrofo ko group nti wo ye ken wa bakra wo ni shirt ono no share shirt. Ono no share shirt o share no yi to twene ye kra no ko ni fie. Se wa be ma ofanfu ni be kwa kwota. Wo be ba
this campaign not to show why.
Me ba enti mono Baomia Ken supporters na nka say enya ni t-shirt ni bi. Baomia supporters na kwakwakwaji t-shirt. E no masa akwata na tene ni mu. Mo so omo nsa antoma no. E no makwaji ni sugar na anwa. Kokwo pe de wo ho.
I say we fanfully. Na obi wo ho wa t-shirt na ewie na okaba wo sheke na okaba wo mi asen.
On that note,
campaign not to show.